Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, as we all know that Shebeshxt was involved in a car accident that took the life of his daughter. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. So now people have been saying a lot of bad things about Shebeshxt, guys. Some people went as far as saying that he sacrificed his daughter just to have money or for the fame and all of that. Like a lot of people were saying that, and I really don't understand. Like, people think that just because you are a celebrity, when you face something, like, you don't have emotions, you don't have feelings. And guys, these people are also human beings. So Shebeshxt recently shared how he felt losing his daughter, how he felt about all of this, because people know that Shebeshxt loved his daughter a lot, guys, a lot. So yes guys, here's a video of Shebeshxt sharing about the loss of his daughter, how he felt, and you can see in his eyes that he was hurt, guys, and he is still hurt, So I'm just hoping that people will just stop saying all of these bad things about his daughter and just let him grieve in peace, Please watch the video and let me know what you think in the comment section.
Ke pene le hore ke a jumpa ke tlono gore ke tlono kwa botlhoko wa mara ke la hore ke a rapela o ngwishe gore nga se lebale mara even ntho le hore iska ngobatša because ntho experience so le ke sa lo monyana gore tumana wa bona engwe gape be ke phelela ngwanola wa comprstand be ke phelela yena bo sena ntho le hore gore go botse nnete bo sena ntho be ke phelela
tato e mo godimo dina la wa le kgethwe mmusho wa otle tato e dira mo lefaseng jalo ka e diragala le godimo gore fele go no ba le ka mehla gore le balla molato wa rena jalo ka re le balla ba molato gore o se re shimile go mo re pholosho o mobe
fele je ke bona o ka re ke faila ke gore o ka re ke